Sofa to Go is an innovative, new, space-saving way to display stylish, elegantly designed sofas, love seats, and upholstered accent chairs in any retail setting. Each sofa fits in one easily stackable and transportable box. The compact box fits easily into elevators and through doorways. Two people can effortlessly navigate sharply angled stairways and narrow hallways. Each Sofa to Go is constructed using top-quality materials found in high-end upholstered sofas and chairs, such as real hardwood material frames, pocket coil seating, Dacron-wrapped high-density foam cushions, premium quality polyester fiber, and solid steel fastening hardware. Sofa to Go has been carefully engineered for amazingly simple assembly. Each Sofa to Go can be put together in minutes without a single tool. Let's take a close look. Carefully open the box and place all pieces on a flat surface. Be sure to remove the parts stowed inside the seat box frames. Check that you have all the components on the parts list. And you're ready to get started. 1. Carefully cut open the plastic bags containing the cushions. 2. Place the sofa back onto the box seat by sliding the metal back connector into the seat connector. Secure the connection with a twist-handled bolt. 3. Place the two seat boxes together with the seat backs facing upwards and align the 3 holes for the twist handle bolts. Turn clockwise until tight. 4. Attach the dust covers and sofa fabric to the Velcro closures. 5. Hand thread the 4 wood feet into the corners of the seat boxes. 6. Hand thread the 2 plastic support feet into the center wood strip on the bottom of the seat boxes. 7. Bring the sofa upright. Put on the seats and back cushions and add the 2 designer accent pillows for the elegant finishing touch. Great things come in small packages when you think inside the box. If you need help with the assembly process, customer service is available toll-free at 855-372-2315, Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Customer support is also available online at www.truecustomersupport.com.
In a one-box town, there lived a one-box boy with a one-track mind for a one-of-a-kind girl. He brought her things she paid him to bring her, but still things nonetheless. And just like the mid-century sofa he brought her on this day, he hoped their relationship would also assemble quickly. Stylish enough for a night on the town, comfortable enough for a weekend at home. That's all anyone in this one-box town or any other town wants, after all.
Where to start with this bold queen sofa sleeper? The look is dramatic with soft upholstery that looks like leather but feels so much warmer. Rolled arms and nailhead trim are classic elements that speak to your good taste. And the pull-out sleeper is so convenient. It's perfect in so many ways.